Cake presents your hometown specialists.
A cataract is the clouding of the natural lens of your eye. Cataracts are the leading cause of blindness in the world and are curable by surgery. The most common symptoms include blurred vision, poor night vision. You might notice halos around lights at night, glare or light sensitivity, difficulty reading. Risk factors for cataracts include like increasing age, diabetes, smoking, prolonged exposures to sunlight or UV light, an injury to the eye, of course your heredity, some medications, and then you can be born with a cataract. You should have cataract surgery when your daily activities are affected and you've seen your eye doctor and they can't improve your vision with glasses or contact lenses. You can usually notice an improvement in your vision within 1 to 2 days of surgery. An annual eye exam is very important, especially as you grow older, to diagnose cataracts and other eye diseases.
Your hometown specialists. Business committed to improve everyday living.